Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anjali. Today I'll discuss about the difference between is and double equal operator in Python. First we'll see what is in Python with example, and then we'll see what is double equals operator in Python with example, and then I'll explain comparing strings, comparing list and comparing integers. First let's start with is in Python. The is operator checks for object identity. It returns true if two reference point to the same object in memory. As I said, it checks for object identity. It returns true if two references point to the same object in memory. While comparing two different objects, if they both lie in the same memory, then it will return true. For this, we will use is operator in Python. Now we'll see a simple example. Here A contains the list of 1, 2 and 3 values, and I am telling that B is equals to A. Now both B and A are same. B is equals to A and A is equals to this value. We are printing A is B. We will see whether it will return true or false. It is returning true. It means both these objects A and B refers to the same memory. As we assigned B as A, they both became same. So the output is true. This is about is in Python. Now I'll explain double equals to in Python. The double equals operator is used to compare the values of two objects. It checks whether the values are equivalent regardless of whether they are same object in memory. In is operator, we compared the memory location of two different objects. Here we will compare values of two objects, whether values are equivalent regardless of they are same memory or not. Here we are just comparing the values but not the memory. This is the example. You can see both A and B contains the same values, that is list of three values 1, 2 and 3, and we are printing A double equals B. It is telling true. But if we use is operator here, we will see we will get false. Even though both values are same, by using is we are just comparing the memory location. Hence it will return false. If we are using comparison operator, both the values are same, so it is returning true. This is all about is and double equal. Now we'll see comparing strings. First I'll show you example and then I'll give you the explanation. Now we will compare strings in A and B variable using both double equals and is. A contains hello string and B contains hello string. Both are same. For this we are using both double equals and is to check which is true and which is false. As I said, we are comparing both similar strings. Now I'll run this code. Both are true. Now you may say that both A and B are allocated to different memory object, but still it is giving true. Even though I did not assign B is equals to A. We will see explanation for this. Python does sometimes called string interning, in which it reuses the same memory for identical strings like hello in our example. Both points to same object in memory. This happens only for some strings, especially short strings, constant values and identifiers. As both the strings here is same, both the strings having same value, so it reuses the same memory for identical strings. Here it is reusing the same memory for both A and B, so it is returning true. If the value is different, it will return false. This happens in some conditions when there is short strings, constant values and identifiers. Hope you understood comparing strings. Now we will go for comparing list. In A variable, we have a list of 1, 2 and 3. In B variable, we have 1, 2 and 3. Both are same, but instead of string, in this example, we are having a list. Now we'll see what is the difference, how it works differently when we are considering string and list. In double equal symbol, it is giving true because both the values are same. But in is operator, it is giving false because this is not a string, this is a list and they both are allocated in different memory locations. Lists are mutable, so A and B are different objects even if they contain the same value. So double equals returns true, but is returns false. Now we can understand easily. In string, if both the values are same, it was taking same memory object, but in list, as it is mutable, it is taking different objects, even though it contains the same values. Now we'll go for comparing integers. Here both a and b contains same values, that is 1000, and again we are comparing using double equals and is operator. Double equals returns true, hence both the values are same. E is also returning true, both the values are same. It is behaving in the same way when we compare strings. In this example, a and b have same values, so double equals returns true. You can see here it is returning true, and is operator is also returning true because values are same and it is assigning for same memory object. Hope you understood all the comparisons and what is the difference between is and double equals to operator. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.